My dear students, I welcome you to third year English class. I was supposed to teach you about the basic rules of correction. You know very well that without knowing the massive knowledge about grammar and the massive rules of correction, nobody will be able to write correct sentences or will have to make any correct answer. So, you should know, you should have massive rules of correction. So, I am going to start correction. Please look. Look here, computer is a wonderful discovery. It is absolutely an incorrect sentence. If you find discovery, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. The thing which does not exist anywhere. In terms of this situation, invention is used. That means if you find discovery, you will have to think that you will have to use invention instead of discovery. If you find discovery in any sentence, then you will have to think that in terms of correction, you will have to use invention instead of discovery. The answer is computer is a wonderful invention. You know very well that in terms of correction, you will have to observe that there are some sentences where extra words are seen, then you will have to omit the extra words. Sometimes there may be any sentence where a word is short, then you will have to use this word. Sometimes you may observe that there are some extra words in a sentence, then you will have to omit these extra words, and you will have to make correct sentences such as you are devoid common sense. Here, devoid. You must know that you will have to use devoid of. Devoid always takes of preparation. So the answer is you are devoid of common sense. Similarly, I like vegetable. You will have to know that vegetable is totally a incorrect word. Vegetable, you will have to use vegetables instead of vegetable. That means I like vegetables. Vegetables are always a plural word. This is why if you find vegetable in any sentence, then you will have to think that you must have to use vegetables instead of vegetable. They held the meeting at the college premise. You know that premise is totally incorrect. You will have to use premises. The rest of the words will remain same. You will have to do only, you will have to use premises instead of premise. The answer is they held the meeting at the college premises. I am giving you another example. They gave me wrong informations. Informations is totally incorrect. You will have to use information instead of informations, and the rest of the words of the sentence will remain same. The answer is they gave me wrong information. That is, you will have to use information in terms of instead of informations. I am giving you another example, such as I am aware of my limit. In this sentence, limit is totally incorrect. If you find limit in any sentence, then you will have to use limitation in order to make correct sentence. The answer is I am aware of my limitation. Limitation. I am aware of my limit. Limit is totally incorrect. You will have to use limitation instead of limit in order to make correct sentence. So, I am aware of my limit. This is an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is I am aware of my limitation. The another example is he gave a visit to our college. If you find visit after gave, if you find visit after get, then you will have to think that in order to make correct sentence, you will have to use paid instead of gave. Then it will be a correct sentence. The answer is he paid a visit. He paid a visit to our college. I am repeating again. If you find visit after gave, then you will have to think that in order to make correct sentence, paid must be used in terms of gave. Similarly, he gave me goodbye. He gave me goodbye. If you find goodbye after gave, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. In order to make correct sentence, you will have to use bed instead of gave. He bade me goodbye. I repeat again. If you find gave and if you find goodbye at the end of a sentence, then you will have to think that in order to make correct sentence, bed must be used instead of gave, and the rest of the words of the sentence will remain same. The answer is he bade me goodbye. Another example. He gave a good speech. He gave a good speech yesterday. Gave. If you find speech after gave, if you find speech after gave, then you will have to think that in order to make correct sentence, you will have to use delivered instead of gave, and the rest of the words will remain same. The correct sentence is he delivered a good speech yesterday. So, I repeat again. If you find speech or good speech after gave in any sentence, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence will be he delivered a good speech yesterday. So, delivered must be used instead of get to make correct sentence. Sometimes you may see phrasal error such as I shall take your leave. Take your leave. If you find take your leave, you must remember that it is an incorrect sentence. You will have to use, the answer is I shall take leave of you. I repeat again, I shall take your leave. If you find take your leave, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. In order to make correct sentence, you will have to use take leave of you instead of take your leave. Similarly, I am giving you another example. He shook my hands. He shook my hands. Shook my hands is totally incorrect. If you find shook my hands, you will have to use shook hands with me. The correct answer is he shook hands with me. I repeat again, if you find shook my hands, you will have to know that, you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. In order to make correct sentence, you will have to use shook hands with me instead of shook my hands. Time is over. I will discuss the basic rules of correction in the next class. So, thank you.